going to start off using this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel to brush and shape my brows how I want them. As I was doing that, I realized I needed to pluck some of the hair under my brows, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Sometimes I'll shave them and then other times I'll tweeze them, but I always shape my brows myself. It's really not that hard once you get used to it. I'm going to be using this Precisely My Brow pencil to fill in my brows today. On one end it has the nice pointy pencil, and then on the other end it has a spoolie. I always start off by shaping out my brow on the bottom, going with its natural shape. Then I'll move on to the top, and as for the top, I'll lift it a little bit so I could give it that beautiful arch shape. I then bring that line down from the top and make sure it connects with the line at the bottom. Now that I outlined my brow perfectly how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. I like to mimic the hair that I have at the front of my brows and add a few extra strokes, and with this pencil it makes doing that so easy. Then I use a spoolie to comb through it to make it look more natural. I went back over it one last time and fill in any little area that I may have missed. For this next part, I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer and this brush that is very flat at the tip. I dab the brush onto the concealer to get a little bit on it, definitely not too much. Then I carefully use it to clean up my brows and make it look even more straight, more lined, and more sharp. I then pull the concealer down and spread it out all over under my brows. Now that I got it sitting where I want it, I'm gonna use this brush to blend the concealer out as much as I possibly can. Just in case you may be scared of using concealer because you might have a heavy hand or something, you can definitely use foundation to do this. It is very simple, you just have to take your time and you will definitely get it. Now to make my brows pop and to give it some glow, I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlighter right here to finish it off. And to apply it, I'm gonna be using this brush. And I'm only gonna be adding a little bit because right now I'm not doing a full face makeup, so I want it to look as natural and subtle as possible. And this is how they turn out, you guys. I hope you like them. I've got so many requests for brow tutorials and I keep putting it off, but I finally found the time to do it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I will link all the products I use down in the description box below so you guys could go check them out and go practice perfecting your brows. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.